Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be going over how to play Marvel Rivals on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So, first things first, you have to open up the PlayStation Store. Go ahead and open up the PlayStation Store right here. As you can see, it is the first option on the list. Go ahead and click that. Once you do that, on the top left corner, you can see the search icon. Simply click that and into the search bar, type in Marvel Rivals. Now, as you can see, it is the first option on the list. Go ahead and click that. Now, I'd like to point out that this video game is absolutely free. There's no need to pay for this, though there are microtransactions inside of the game. So keep that in mind. You can either get this video game on PlayStationStore.com or you can go ahead and access the PlayStation Store on your designated PlayStation console. One very important thing I need to clear, this video game is not accessible on PlayStation 4. It is solely playable on PlayStation 5. So that is a very important thing to keep in mind. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.